Welcome to our English class.
Hello everyone, I'm glad that you are watching. My name is Cyprien. Our today's class will focus on present simple tense. People who want to understand more, this is the meaning in our language. Present simple tense is also known as everyday tense because it tells us activities that we do every day. We use it for habits, routines, and facts. Here is the meaning. Now, signal words or keywords. These are the words that tell us this is present simple tense. Number 1, always. Number 2, usually. Number 3, often. Number 4, sometimes. Number 5, every day, every week, every month, every year. Number 6, never. Number 7, rarely. Number 8, in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. Number 9, at night. Number 10, on Mondays, on Tuesdays, on Wednesdays, and so on. We have some rules. These are rules that we follow when we are dealing with the present simple tense. In the previous lesson, I taught about personal pronouns. If you have not watched it, please you can go back and see how they are used. Now, I, you, we, and they, remember these are considered as a plural, so the base verb does not change. I walk to school, you walk to school, we walk to school, they walk to school. Now, coming to singular personal pronouns, he, she, and it, something adds up. For example, he walks to school, she walks to school, it walks to the field. The rules continue. Here are the explanations. Number 1, verbs ending with the O, we add es. For example, he goes, she goes, it does. Number 2, verbs ending with ch, sh, x, and z, we add es. For example, he brushes, she fixes, it branches. Number 3, verbs ending with y, we change y into I and add es. For example, he flies, she flies, it flies. Now try this. Choose the correct answer. She dash dash go or goes to school every day. The correct answer is goes. She goes to school every day. Number 2, Peter and I travel or travels every weekend. Which one is the best answer? Peter and I, these are more, we are more than one person. So this is a plural. Now the answer will be Peter and I travel every weekend. Thank you for your kind attention. This is Fast Talk Academy once again. If you want to contact us, please do not hesitate to write to info@fasttalkacademy.org.rwa. Thank you.